A Walmart refund can stay pending even after your order shows canceled or returned, because your bank or card issuer still has to process the transaction after Walmart releases it. By the end of this video, you'll know why your refund is taking longer than expected, how to check where the delay is happening, and what to do if the money still hasn't shown up. The first thing to understand is that Walmart and your payment provider have separate parts in the refund process. Walmart approves and sends the refund, but your bank, credit card company, debit card issuer, or digital wallet finishes the transaction. That means an approved refund does not always appear in your account immediately. Start by opening the Walmart app or visiting walmart.com. Go to Accounting, then e-Purchase History or Order History, and open the affected order. Look for the refund status. If it still says processing, Walmart hasn't finished issuing the refund yet. If it says refunded or completed, the next step is checking with your payment provider, instead of waiting for another Walmart update. Next, confirm which payment method you originally used. Refunds are normally returned to the same credit card, debit card, Walmart money card, gift card, or digital wallet used for the purchase. Looking at a different account is an easy way to think the refund is missing when it was actually sent somewhere else. If you returned an item in a Walmart store, keep your return receipt until the refund appears. If you mailed the item back, check the return tracking information to confirm the package was delivered. Walmart generally begins processing after the returned item is received and verified. Now check your bank or card account carefully. Some financial institutions first show the refund as pending before moving it into your available balance. Others post it directly, without a separate notification. Reviewing recent transactions instead of just your balance can help you spot it sooner. If your order page says the refund was completed, but you still don't have the money after giving your payment provider enough time to process it, contact Walmart customer care with your order number and return confirmation. They can verify when the refund was issued. If Walmart confirms it was sent, contact your bank or card issuer and ask them to trace the incoming refund using the transaction details. To recap, first verify the refund status in your Walmart account, then check the original payment method, and finally contact Walmart or your financial institution if the refund still hasn't appeared. Those steps solve most delayed refund situations. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Walmart troubleshooting guides.